Hey guys, this is Christian from Casa, Salsa Dance Studios, and today we're going to be showing you how to spot. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to notice is that Scott is taking his body first. Then you're going to see him take his head, and then you'll see his head come forward before his shoulders, and his body comes last. So the order would be body, head, head, and then body. So the 4 steps to doing proper spotting is body, head, head, body. Here's what that looks like without any stopping. And now here's what that looks like with a right turn. And finally, here's an example with a left turn.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.